A chart of accounts, COA, is a comprehensive directory of financial accounts and their corresponding reference numbers. It serves as a foundation for recording and organizing financial transactions in your business. In this video, we'll explore the structure and types of accounts in a COA, and how they help you manage your company's financial information. The primary purposes of a COA are to track financial transactions, generate financial statements, comply with accounting regulations. A COA typically consists of two main categories of accounts: balance sheet accounts, income statement accounts. Balance sheet accounts track your company's assets, debts, and net worth. Asset accounts track all the valuable resources owned by your company. Liability accounts record your company's debts. Equity accounts represent the residual value in the business after subtracting liabilities from assets. Revenue accounts capture your company's income from various sources. Expense accounts capture all your company's expenses. The COA is used to record transactions in your organization's general ledger. Each account typically has an identifier, account number, and a descriptive caption or header. Business Central includes a standard chart of accounts that is ready to support your business. The composition of your company's chart of accounts is a strategic decision made by your management. Retail businesses might emphasize inventory and accounts receivable. Technology companies might focus on intangible assets like patents and software. Manufacturing plants would track fixed assets and supplies. Businesses typically create a hierarchical structure in GL account codes to reflect where they belong in the chart of accounts. You can define headers and subtotals in your chart of accounts that encapsulate these internal structures. Understanding the structure and types of accounts in a COA is essential for accurate financial reporting and effective financial management. Thanks for watching. Tomorrow we will learn about OWL programming. Come back, share this video,